This bit, because you're going to get stuff.
Oh, Howard. This is out.
What?
I've only got a small car, I can't reach.
Well, that's why you want to take it out of gear, so you can... See, you don't want to be in gear, do you?
No.
Medium galaxy lighter?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Very good.
There you come with the next one.
Thank you. She was
See what's that?
She was nice. God. I remember the time when you told me that my car wasn't on and I got really panicked, but it was on.
It was, yeah, it's because it's I couldn't hear it. It's quiet.
Or die, and then we were at that set of traffic lights where it's like a 5-way system. She's like, oh, you're not in gear, and I stood there, I was like, what? No, I am in gear, and they stalled it, because she was like, oh, I didn't see it, sorry, it looks like neutral. I was like, oh. I had like 80 million cars behind me, because it was near, they weren't actually near the one we just did, it was near the boundary, but like at the top, near, I don't know when, it's like, up from like, you know where that prison was, at Norwich prison, like Britannia. As you come down that road, there's one here, 2 over there, and 1 back here. Yeah. So they waited about 5 minutes to even get to where, it's a bit chilly.
Does your car have the temperature on it? What is it? Oh, yeah.
That ain't right. That's not got to be 6 degrees.
It seems warmer than 6.5.
No, it is 6.5 degrees. I hate the only thing I don't like about my Mini and all Minis in general is because they're so low. Anyone with LED headlights, you're done. You can't see a thing. Even if you put up the anti-dazzle, it doesn't work.
Okay.
So at night time when they've got the LEDs behind you and you're just blinded in this light, you're just driving
they
like
are.
this.
They're bright, aren't they? Yeah.
I think they should be banned. Because like, why are they... It's like our half full beam is there dipped.
Yeah.
Why?
My car.
I bet it does.
When I got my lights on, sometimes cars come towards me, they flash me like I'm blinded, and I'm like, they're not.
Yeah,
you know,
so you're part of the problem. At least you're self-aware.
You can see good.
Yeah, I bet you can. Bet you can, cheeky. I hope this is not the video.
What, this bit?
No.
Well, we'd have to edit it. It'd be like...
I think it'd be quite mindless.